how to create variants in Figma. So let's go with this button here, and I'm gonna make it a component first. So I'm just gonna select it, and I go up here to these 4 diamonds, which is the create component symbol. You can also type Ctrl-Alt-K on your keyboard. So once you do that, it becomes a component. Now we can add variants to this component, and the way we do this is we go up here and we click on this diamond with a plus inside. So this is gonna add variants. I'm just gonna click on it, and now I can go into the variant and change the color, for example, or make it lighter, for example, to indicate a hover state, for example. And we can also add more variants by clicking on this plus button here under the other variant. And now I can give this a border, for example. I can just go to stroke and I'm gonna increase the size of the stroke. Maybe make this a more visible color, something like this. Maybe we can make the fill color even more opaque and make this color black. And that's how you add variants in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.